In today's video, I'm going to teach you aesthetic styling techniques in MS Word. We're going to turn ordinary documents into polished, intentional designs using tools you already have. The goal is to choose a look you love, then apply it consistently so your document feels cohesive from start to finish. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Begin by working smart with templates. Open Word's template gallery to find a layout that fits your purpose, or explore reputable third-party options to jump-start the structure. A good template saves time and ensures your margins, spacing, and headings already play nicely together. Next, head to the Design tab. This is your control center for aesthetics. Choose a theme to instantly lock in a font pairing and color palette that stay consistent across headings, body text, and accents. If you decide to switch styles later, swapping the theme updates everything at once, keeping your design clean and unified. For a minimalist and clean look, lean into white space. Use a sans serif font like Calibri or Arial, set comfortable line spacing, and stick to neutrals, think blacks, grays, and beiges. Keep headings clear and simple, avoid busy borders, and use a single accent color very sparingly. Minimalism is about clarity, so let the breathing room do the work. If you prefer vintage and earthy tones, choose a serif font such as Garamond or Georgia for that warm, classic feel. In the Design tab, try a soft beige or light brown page color instead of stark white. Add personality with a subtle page border. Abstract or floral patterns work well when kept delicate. The key is gentle contrast and a cozy mood. For a modern and bold style, pick a vibrant accent color for headings, like a bright yellow or bold teal. Use strong, contrasting fonts and introduce geometric elements. Go to Insert, then Shapes, to add clean lines as dividers or color blocks behind titles. Don't be afraid of asymmetry. Offset shapes or text boxes slightly to create movement and a contemporary edge. If you love the aesthetic notes, vibe, layer text boxes for sections, use soft pastel colors, and consider a handwritten or cute font downloaded from a trusted site. Keep the layout organized, but let your personality show through color headers and gentle textures. Throughout, take advantage of page borders from the Design tab. A fine line or discrete pattern can frame your content without overwhelming it. Use Insert, then Shapes, to build visual hierarchy, and add finishing touches with text effects from the Home tab's Text Effects and Typography button. Subtle shadows or outlines can make titles and cover pages stand out while staying tasteful. Choose the style that suits your content, apply these tools thoughtfully, and your Word documents will look polished, intentional, and uniquely you. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.